In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image in Google Slide. So for the first step you will need to add an image into your slide, and as you can see I have already added one. Now you will select it, then we will go to extensions on top and then to add-ons, and then we will click on get add-ons. Now there will be a search bar on top and we will type in image background remover. And here you can see the app we need to install, the extension. Just install it. Once you have installed the extension, then you can go to extensions and there you will find the background remover. We will open that extension, and as you can see there is now a free trial, so we can use it for free for one time. Now we will click on start remove. It is uploading the image, and as you can see it's now processing the image to remove the background. And now you have successfully removed the background. If you want to add this image without background into your slide, then you can click on replace original image.